all my people from the block who still ride with me, ride with me.
Solo trip. Nobody could come with me, so quick solo trip. Let's go. One of the tricky parts about fishing by yourself is launching a boat by yourself. So I'm gonna do a little video on how I do that. So ain't nothing fancy, but for the people who've never done it or always been curious, here's how I do it. I know I've never actually looked into how I do it or what's the right way to do it. This is just how I do it. I don't know if there's I'm sure I'm breaking 1,000 rules of launching by yourself, but this is how I do it. First thing I do, come to the back of the boat, take off the regular back straps here, get this ready, take off the transom saver, other side, same to the other side. Get your rope ready, put it through the cleat, and have that on deck. I never take off this front strap, ever, until I'm down there. Never. Alright, got that thing launched. Now just gonna, the water is filled with a bunch of debris, a bunch of sticks. So I'm gonna troll for a little bit, and if I don't catch nothing, I'm gonna go hit these coves and start catching some bass. Just gonna see what it is. The other thing about fishing by yourself, always have your stuff prepped and ready beforehand. That way you don't have to worry about getting a fish on and you're not ready to get it. So let's get it. Throw the old trusties right here. All right, let's get to trolling. My only concern right now is there is a lot of debris on the water. I don't want to have to keep reeling in and resetting, but let's just get one line out right now. Let's see what's happening. Throwing a St. Croix medium fast action rod. Just gonna keep it down right here, right by me. Ain't got no fancy rod holder, just out here doing it dirty. You know what it is. And then also, like I was saying, get everything prepped and ready, just in case you catch one. Have this net on deck. Have it up here on deck, ready to go just in case. Got the pole out trolling. Let's get it. Random tip of the day. Fishing etiquette is real. If you're trolling and there's people on the shore, give them a good amount of distance between the shore and the boat. Like, I mean, if they can cast and hit your boat, You're too close to that shoreline for them. We got boats. That's the benefit of having a boat. You can go wherever. So don't be hugging them shorelines on these shore fishermen. It's horrible fishing etiquette for one, and it's annoying. I remember when I was out there on the shore fishing, I could have hit a few boats with my whatever I was throwing, and it's irritating. Then they make big old wakes on the water, ripple everything up. You have to reset. Bunch of nonsense. Make sure you have some fishing etiquette. Do not be hugging them shorelines, especially if you see people there. I mean, if it's super early and ain't nobody there, yeah, go get a little closer, but if you see lines in the water, get up out of there. We are on. Ooh. We are on. Come right here, get the net ready. So you got the net ready. On deck. See what we have here. Ooh, feels nice. It's pulling some drag. Stay down, stay down. About to jump. Huh? This one's fighting weird. Must have hooked it on its side or something. I can't. No. No, it's hooked. It's not hooked on its side. It's just fighting a little weird. There we go. It's coming in. Oh, it's hooked on the side of its gill. I barely got it hooked. Decent sized one too. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Got him. Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, and as I pull it in, it spits the hook. Let's go. Look at that. Okay. That's a nice little rainbow there. Let's go. Let's go. That's 1 me, 0 Rob. That boy don't even fish no more. I don't even think he know how to fish. He ain't never come fishing out no more. He works too much. I'm over here catching fatties. That's a nice trout. Look at the size of this thing. That's the other thing. Make sure your live well is ready. Which in this case, I had it ready. Trout always go belly up like the first 5 seconds. Let's stir this thing. Come on, hey, let's go. Let's stir that water real quick. There we go. A little tired for the fight. Yeah, man. Let's get back in this water. Let's go. All right, the trolling slowed down. I'm about to just start casting. Free cast in some places. If I catch a bass, I catch a bass. If I catch a trout, I catch a trout. Let's see what we're doing here. Level's a lot higher than it's been. There's a lot of debris in the water. I caught one trout earlier trolling. It was it's actually really nice right there in the live well. And that was it. Let's see what we could pull out. I at least want to get 2. That one in there is pretty decent. Like I said, if I catch a bass, I catch a bass, but that's the thing with throwing these Rapalas like this. They catch a little bit of everything. So this is my little lucky go-to one right here too. Caught a lot of fish on this little thing. here, there's a bunch of rocks under the water. Huge rock point all up here. I usually catch fish right here. Typically a lot of bass. I've got a few trout right here, but mainly bass. See if there's anything chilling in these rocks. And again, the shoreline got pushed back. The water's super high, so let's see what we can do. The rock line's probably like right here, where it usually is, because the water's pushed so far back. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Come on, somebody bite it. Somebody bite it. Give me something here. There's a lot of debris in this water. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're on something. It's fighting. I don't know what it is. It's a trout. That's a big trout. Here we go. On the cast too. That's a big trout. Oh no, stay on. No. Oh gosh. No freaking way. Let's go. That is a big trout. This is like 2.5, almost, yeah, I'd probably say 2.5 pounds. Oh, nice. Look at this. That's a nice trout. Casting too, not even trolling. I told you that rock point is where it's at. Oh, I hooked this one good too. All right, chill. I'm trying to help you. Chill. Man. All right, chill. Oh gosh. That was it bit hard too. This trout bit hard. All right, chill. Chill. Let me help you. Chill. You're just making it worse. All right, I think you got that one out, and I need this lip area. Hey, chill. You're gonna bleed everywhere. I've got this lure all caught in there now. Come on, little trout, or big trout, I should say. Here, where we at? Is it out? No, almost. There it goes. Golly, that's a fish. That is a fish right there. Put this bad boy in here. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a fish right there, boy. Two nice ones. Nice. Let's go. So anytime I've caught a few decent sized fish, like over 2 pounds or so, and I've made a few casts, I've been trolling or whatever, I like to retie. Tell me how much you guys like retying, man. I retie every few fish because I don't want to be that dude who loses that fish from getting his line snapped because it had a fray or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So I be on these changes, and the other thing is that I'm fishing all these rocks, so I don't know if I'm scraping. Well, I feel myself scraping on these rocks when I'm reeling in. So if my line is getting frayed, you know, I want to make sure I stay on top of checking to see if my line is still good. Man, I caught that right off the shore too. I caught that thing right off the shore. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, here we go, fish on. Oh, spat it. Ah, gosh dang it. Spat it right here. Gosh dang it. Nothing's worse than freaking getting one on and getting it ripped off right out as soon as you set hook. Well, that was right off that point, like I said. That sucks. I don't know what it was. Kind of looked like a trout. I seen its body. It was a little white and bright and spinning. It was starting to do that little trout spin they do. Kind of looked like a trout, to be honest. All right, so the bite slowed down a lot. I'm about to just troll back to the boat dock. I still got those 2 trout in here. I'm a troll back, throwing the same lure I was throwing all day. If I catch another one, I catch another one. If I don't, I don't. I gotta go pick up the kids from school. So that's also one of the benefits with school starting back up. Ain't nobody on the lake. You can fish. Like, it's awesome. Okay, so now when you're fishing alone and you gotta dock the boat, pull the trailer in, obviously. When you tied the boat off, go grab that, pull it in, line it up. And then tie your boat where other people can still access the ramp, because that's also annoying when you're tying up the ramp. Never tie off the ramp, hold up the ramp when there's other people around too, because that's the worst. So that's why I parked my boat all the way to the side where I don't have to worry about locking up the freaking boat ramp. Boat etiquette, you know what I'm saying? And this is the art right here, just gliding it onto the trailer. Pick up some momentum, get some good momentum going, line it up, get it right there on the runner boards, adjust as you go. That's about the speed you want to go, nice and calm and smooth. Let it coast in its spot. It should start to slow down when it hits them runner boards, just like that. I didn't have to pull the rope, like it just stopped. That gives you enough space to start cranking this bad boy in. Come right here. Strap that bad boy in. Reel it home like a fish. Just like that. And just like that, that's how you launch and pick up by yourself. I just got to put all this stuff away, load the boat up, and call it a day. So that was 2 fish, 2 nice trout, real quick. I only fished for 2 hours. Got on the water because I got to go pick up the kids. But thanks for watching another episode of Rob and Joe Fishing. Man, trust me, me and Robert are still brothers. We still love each other. That boy's just crazy busy, so we don't get to get out fishing a lot. So a lot of people are probably like, man, I wonder if Robert and Joe are still cool. Oh, we're still phenomenal. Time is just the only thing that's killing that boy. But he'll be back out here, man. Till next time, let's get it.
To all my people from the block who still ride with me, ride with me. Turn the music up and still vibe with me, vibe with me. Knowing that I'm different cause it's guiding me, guiding me. This is for my people, unify with me, vibe. To all my people from the block who still ride with me, ride with me. Turn the music up and still vibe with me, vibe with me. Knowing that I'm different cause it's guiding me, guiding me. This is for my people, unify with me, vibe with me.
I'm about to vibe out. We out here pushing through. We keep it kingdom minded, refresh, reset, then renew. We keep it popping like locking. Really can't, boy, keep it bobbing. For the king, we step on goblins. We spit truth, no time for toxins. Keep your cardboard, we not boxing. boxed in. All my day ones, thanks for rocking. From the church to the block, we rap for the rock. Trust your hustle, get that guap. Build your dreams, cause we can't stop. Cause we out here motivating. We spread love, no need for hating. Where's your drive? What you making? Shoot your shot, no pump faking. In the zone like Irvin Aikman. Trying to win? Yeah, me too. Pay attention, how we do. Marco spit those bars with ease. Villa engineer with ease. I make drip that drip with ease. We gon' do this for the king. Stay ready, I ain't gotta get ready. Get ready. I'ma keep it pushing like a new Chevy. Cause I know them trials hurt and they get heavy. I'ma help you out, let's get ready. 2020 was a doozy. Lost some people that was close and it moved me. Emotion dropped to the bottom like a bag of tea. Now I'm back on top cause of Elohim.
People from the block who still ride with me, ride with me. Turn the music up and still vibe with me, knowing that I'm
Hi, Uncle Robert.
Came to Uncle Robert's work to give him his gifts for his birthday. That's your first one.
Thank you.
That's from Sable.
Let me open this up.
Sable said you have to try on whatever's in there right now.
You have to try 'em on.
Oh, what? Look at that. I'll wear these.
She said you got to try them on right now.
Perfect. I'll rock these too.
Heck yeah.
These are my new boat shoes. If I ever get to get out on the boat.
Fitted.
Hell yeah.
Fresh to death. Now you have this big old thing right here now.
Ready, pull.
Be careful, be careful.
Wait, there's your present. Bubble wrap.
Pull that thing out. There you go. There it is. Oh yeah.
Dude, oh.
That's that good stuff.
Done deal. Don't leave your fish around me. True fisher for real.
Your first super dope rod.
That is.
I just have to get used to using the correct way now.
Yeah.
Should be easy.
Look at that.
Oh, God, this is clean. Dude, that grip on there too.
Oh, wait, that's like white and gold.
That rubber grip, so that way when it gets cold and wet.
There it is.
8-pound test, 10-pound test, 12, 14, 17, 20, 30, 50, 65. And you don't even have to change your line, you just change that and your pound test goes up.